up, guys? My name is Carlos Berto. Thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel this week. If you have not yet subscribed, please make sure you do now. So today what I want to talk to you guys about is the perfect fitted t-shirt, and essentially just products that should fit very well, that you guys should have in your wardrobe as your staples. Fit is very important in just the men's world. I think that there's a lot of different types of trends going on right now, and a lot of trends have very baggier stuff, and a lot of trends have very tailored nice things. And I think that to create a perfect wardrobe, you definitely need both of those essentials. Sometimes you need a little bit more than others. Like for me, I like to use a lot more fitted clothes than baggier clothes. I think the baggier clothes is cool, but I also just want to make sure that I have more fitted stuff, because obviously with suits, with more about casual, high look, you're definitely going to need a little bit more of a fitted style. But today what I want to share with you guys is a really cool brand called Esntls, and you guys have definitely heard of Esntls. If you guys haven't, then you guys have been sleeping on it for a long time, and you guys should definitely get to know this brand because they create very amazing, sick, essential wardrobe. And what they do is they take the classic cuts, the classic silhouettes of just everyday wardrobe. They make it to fit very well and very proportional to your body. And the good thing about it is they also use quality cotton, and just the best brand for overall basic essentials that fit just right. So let's go ahead and talk about these perfect essentials by Esntls. So not only does Esntls focus on creating basic t-shirts, but they also do sweatshirts like the one I have now. They also do sweatpants and joggers. They're very just comfort casual clothes, and right now they actually just launched their 5th collection, which has chinos and polo shirts, and overall just an amazing extensive collection for you guys to go shopping. And I have to say that these basics that they sent to me were probably bar none, and the fit and everything was just so great. I did want to test it out. I did wear these t-shirts quite often. I did wear it to the gym. I did wash them quite a bit, and I did wear them very casually and also suited up. So why I recommend Esntls for you guys is because you do have a very good premium cotton, and they don't shrink when you do wash them, which is awesome. And for me, that's like the most annoying thing, is when I get the perfect fitting t-shirt or just basics and I wash it one time and then they're gone, because I do like to wear these under my shirts. I do like to exercise. Sometimes I don't have time to go change, so I want to just make sure I could work out in my casual apparel, and that's something that they definitely offer, as far as guaranteeing that the fit will always remain the same. And that to me is the biggest selling factor of Esntls, and they did a really good job. Another thing is fit. The t-shirts fit amazing. They fit every point of your body pretty spot on. Usually when I do buy basic t-shirts outside in department stores, I have to always size down, which is why I'm a medium. So for Esntls, I think my true size is actually a large, because my shoulders are a little bit more broad, and I do have a 10-inch drop from my shoulders to my waist. So it's always very hard for me to find a t-shirt or just basic essentials that actually fit well, so I usually size down. With Esntls, they definitely figured out the fit. It fits very properly. It does not go over my shoulder. The seam is perfectly aligned with my shoulder, and it fits very well, and it's also very contoured to your hips and body. And you can even see in the shape of the t-shirt that it has a little bit of an S curve, so it can contour your body, which is awesome, and that's definitely spot on for something that fits great. You want to make sure that you pick up an essential before they all sell out. They're actually great fitting t-shirts. I highly recommend them. Any basics from Esntls were really great, and if you follow my journey with them on Instagram, then you will see that I've been wearing these quite often. What I do like about these also is that you could, like I said, very versatile in fit, very versatile in styling. I wore them with the blazer. I wore it to the gym. I wore it very casually. I'm wearing it the way I'm wearing this hoodie right here, and it's just very easy to actually wear an essential product looking great. Overall, you don't lose the actual fundamental of the basics, and it doesn't look like a basic t-shirt because of the cut and the way that they hem the shirts, and everything is just really spot on in terms of versatility. So I like that about Esntls, and I definitely know that you guys would too. They also just launched their 5th collection right now, which is out, so you guys got to go get that before it sells out. They launched the 27th, so I'm pretty sure there's a little bit more time for you guys to pick up at least a basic shirt or something that actually is going to fit really well into your wardrobe. So go do that now, and also you can use Carlos10 to get 10% discount.